If you want to add a watermark in CapCut PC, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it, even if you are brand new to the editor. A watermark is a great way to protect your content, promote your brand name, or make sure your videos always look more professional. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a simple text watermark in CapCut PC step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to place it, make it semi-transparent, and stretch it across your entire video. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. Once your main video is already on the timeline, go to the top menu and click on the Text tab. Inside the Text section, choose Default Text. This will create a standard text layer that we can turn into a watermark. Now drag and drop that text box onto a video track in your timeline and make sure it sits directly above your main video clip. That placement is important because the text has to appear on top of the footage to work as a watermark. Next, click inside the text box and type in your brand name, channel name, or username. This could be anything you want viewers to recognize, like your logo text or your social handle. For the best look, choose a clean, bold font that stays readable even after we lower the opacity. A watermark should be visible, but it should not distract from the video itself. After that, select the text clip on the timeline so the editing controls appear. On the top right, you'll see the video settings panel. Scroll down until you find the basic section. In that section, look for the opacity slider. It will usually be set all the way at 100% by default, which makes the text fully visible. To turn it into a proper watermark, drag the opacity down to around 20 to 30%. This makes the text semi-transparent, so it blends into the video while still being noticeable. Once the transparency is set, go back to the preview window and resize the text. Make it smaller if needed, then drag it into a corner of the screen. A corner placement is usually the best option because it keeps the watermark out of the way while still being present throughout the video. You can place it in the top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right depending on your layout and what looks cleanest for your content. After that, go to the timeline and grab the end of the text layer. Drag the edge until it matches the full length of your video clip. This is what keeps the watermark visible for the entire video instead of only appearing for a few seconds. If your video is longer than the text layer, the watermark will disappear early, so this step is very important. Once everything is lined up, play back your video and check how the watermark looks. If it feels too strong, lower the opacity a little more. If it feels too small, scale it up slightly. The goal is to make it subtle, professional, and consistent with your brand. And that's it, you've successfully added a watermark in CapCut PC using a simple text layer. This is one of the easiest ways to brand your videos without needing any extra software. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.